Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if the microphone is not working on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. First, you may want to check if your microphone works in different apps. For example, you can search up Recorder. Make sure it has the permissions to use your voice, and then possibly that it has access to the Do Not Disturb permissions, and then start recording. You'll know it works by the lines getting, you could say, taller once you start speaking. Then you can of course close it, save it, and check if it works, or delete it if you don't want it. Another thing you could try is to, of course, just try it out in different apps. But if it doesn't work, the first thing you could check is in settings. You could try looking at sound settings, and in here scrolling down to possibly turn off or on CrystalTalk AI, which could possibly be messing with your microphone's ability to pick up your voice during calls. And outside of this, you could try to make sure that call volume is set to a sufficient level, or that Do Not Disturb is not turned on, as when it is turned on it could also potentially be messing with you. You could also try to look for software updates. In settings, scroll down to System Update and then check for updates. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. If there are any updates, make sure you download and install them. But if there aren't, then that's great. The next thing you could try is to look at your device's microphone, which I believe is right here, this little hole to the left of your USB-C port at the bottom, as well as right here, I believe, this little hole, which without the case on would be a bit, well, it's also there, just maybe a bit less visible. As you can see, just this hole right here. Now you could look at them and just see if maybe they aren't clogged or anything isn't in them. If there is, you could try using compressed air to try and dislodge it, or try cleaning it with some non-metallic tools. Just make sure you don't push anything in there too hard to avoid damaging the microphone. Another thing you could look at is restarting your phone in safe mode. To do so, enter the power menu by tapping the power and volume up buttons at the same time, or the power option in here, and then tapping and holding on the restart or the power off option, and tapping OK when it asks to reboot into safe mode. This will potentially rule out third-party interference. So if the microphone is going to work in safe mode, that will mean that you will have to go back into normal mode and start uninstalling your recently installed apps to see which one is causing the issue. But if it still doesn't work in safe mode, that could be an indicator that your microphone could be broken. And if it is broken, then the only real option you might have would be to go into a service center to have it looked at. But you can just look at in safe mode, just test it out in the Recorder app. As you can see, it's going to detect your voice. If it still doesn't, That might mean your microphone is broken, as I said. Now to exit safe mode, just restart your phone. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.